Apptronik just tripled its valuation to a staggering $5.3 billion, fueled by a jaw-dropping $520 million raise. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, February 14th, 2026. Apptronik smashed records by raising an extra $520 million, pushing its Series A total to $935 million, and skyrocketing its valuation from $1.75 billion to $5.3 billion in just a year. They're building humanoid robots for giants like Google DeepMind and Mercedes-Benz. Meet Isaac Zero from Weave Robotics, a pricey $8,000 stationary robot that folds your laundry in 30 to 90 minutes per load. It's a sleek helper, but still needs your help with big blankets and inside-out clothes. Hungary's Apptronik closed $7.2 million to commercialize its revolutionary weaving robots. These robots use soft, load-bearing tendons woven around 3D printed skeletons, aiming for scalable, full robotic body manufacturing. Mexican police are using K9X robotic quadrupeds for 2026 World Cup security. These bots patrol risky spots, stream live video, and even issue voice commands, part of a high-tech security system with drones and counter-drone tech. After 30 years leading Boston Dynamics, CEO Robert Plater steps down. He shepherded legendary robots like Spot and Atlas, marking the end of an era for this iconic robotics innovator. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which robot excites you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.